You don't need to photograph all the tools.
Oh, why not?
Just the creek.
Just the creek? Oh, I'm just
The
doing
stream.
the
We're
creek?
calling it
Oh,
the stream.
stream. That's actually working and recirculating right now.
I think they found more rocks than we have. The poppies are blooming.
So Tori found some rot over there. It's those boards. And he'll be able to replace them, he says. And then along the siding here, there's a 2x6 underneath. So you've got the shingles and then the ply and then this 2x12 that runs the whole length, and that's got to be replaced, and so he's going to do that. And this one he said looks good, but probably replace the ply. And then there's, of course, the door here, which is probably going to become a full window. And that wood there. And they've already made good headway on here. None of the plywood underneath was damaged, but the shingles were pretty bad, so those are being replaced. And they're stripping the deck right now. How's it going?
Good. Am I on video chat?
You're on videotape.
Oh. Well, it's coming along. A little worse for wear.
And then there's the window there too, but that's hitting the back burner for right now until we get everything else done.